Techie. For today's video, we will unbox and review the newest PLDT Home Prepaid Wi-Fi Boosteven R281, the powered by Smart LTE, the country's fastest mobile data network sa Pilipinas, guys. But before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, guys, and choose yung all para palagi ka updated sa ating mga video tutorial natin na-upload almost every day, guys. Anyways, this Wi-Fi pala, guys, is only 995 pesos, guys, where you can buy this at this SM Stationery. Pwede nyo rin siya, guys, mabili sa may online physical store ng Smart and other retailer store. Ayan, guys. So here's the box. Inopen na natin siya, no? And again, guys, dagdag ko lang, in addition, it comes, guys, with the free 10 gig Ethernet for 7 days. So here's the modem or the PLDT Home modem with the 7 indicators, guys: power, data, Wi-Fi, internet, and signal indicator. And at the bottom, meron tayo dyan, guys, na Wi-Fi route information and ports naman sa likod. So meron din siya, guys, ng mga accessories katulad na lamang ng 12 volts power adapter, guys, for modem. Yan, guys, yung pin. As you can see, here's the power adapter. And also, yung yellow LAN cable, guys, came from the box. Also, of course, the smart broadband SIM card, guys. The warranty certificate, guys. The smart or the PLDT Home brochure, guys. Na lahat ng question, lahat ng guide is nandito po yun. And also, we have the user guidelines for device, guys. Kung paano nyo alagaan, kung paano yung tamang paggamit ng Wi-Fi na to. So here's now, we will open the Wi-Fi, guys. Anyways, as I observe, guys, sa Wi-Fi na to, medyo matagal yung booting process niya, guys. It takes 20 to 30 seconds, guys, bago nyo pwedeng gamitin. So at the bottom, guys, ito yung laman niya sa 4GCP router nyo. Meron siyang model, rating, SSID for 2.4G, names, SSID 5G, Wi-Fi key, default password, we have the PLDT Home, and the portal IP address, the 192.168.1.1, default password for the portal, guys, with PLDT Home. So, yung portal pala, guys, where you can configure, modify your router, guys. So, now we will connect, guys, sa ating router. After the successful connection, guys, now we will go to the Chrome browser, guys, para i-open natin si portal. Ayan, si 192.168.1.1. Zoom lang natin to, guys, si password and use the PLDT Home as default password for this portal, guys. So ayan siya, guys, na nasa screen. Pwede nyo yung gamitin, guys. Ayan. So, after natin makalagin, guys, may quick setup dyan. You can fill up lang, guys. And now, good to go na tayo to configure or to modify all our setting. So, kapag default ka, guys, nasa 4G and 3G selection ka. But you need to select, guys, sa 4G only. Ayan. Cellular. Sa APN management, guys, you can edit na yan. Also, sa engineering information, guys, ito yung information about your antenna status. So, if gusto nyo, guys, ng antenna status nyo is good, I'll provide, guys, a guide for that sa description box, guys. Download nyo na lang, guys, yung photo. Ayan. For manual network, we have that setting. Ayan siya, guys. And pin management, meron din yan. Ayan siya, guys. Marami. Sa router tayo, meron dyang profile management, system information, the advanced setting, security, ayan siya, guys, maraming selection, and firewall settings, guys. Ayan siya. For the home network naman, guys, we have the DHCP setting, device management, yung mga nakakonect sa inyo, guys, nandyan yan. Ayan, wait lang, hanapin lang natin, guys, kung nasaan yung SSID editor and Wi-Fi key. Ito siya guys, nasa wireless setting siya. So as you can see guys, here's the modify, kung paano nyo mamamodify sa SSD names ng Wi-Fi nyo and also the password or Wi-Fi key ng Wi-Fi nyo. Yan siya. Anyway, share ko lang guys about this Wi-Fi, no? Napakapangit kasi ng Wi-Fi or web UI ng Wi-Fi na to kapag nasa phone mode. Pero kapag nasa computer or desktop mode, medyo okay naman and maganda rin tingnan. Yun. Anyways, we will guys test the speed of our internet guys using the speed test by Ookla. Ayan. Open lang natin to. Continue, allow all permissions. Wag mo nang allow, don't allow, done. Ayan. Anyways, this is for built-in antenna guys. This is the first attempt for built-in antenna. As you can see guys, sa built-in antenna natin, we got 35.8 Mbps, which is not bad with 27 millisecond guys as a ping. And the upload speed guys na 4.86 lang. Medyo mababa pa siya as of now. Now, this is the second attempt guys for the built-in antenna of our PLDT Home prepaid Wi-Fi. At the second attempt guys natin, medyo tumaas siya with 44.3 Mbps guys and 31 millisecond of latency guys. Ayan, medyo mababa rin naman guys yung upload speed natin again. Ayan, medyo tumaas naman siya pero medyo mababa pa rin guys for the upload speed. For today's video naman guys, we will use this 4G indoor antenna guys na galing sa S10G guys. And pag wala naman kayo guys nito, you can buy this at the Shopee guys where I think mura lang naman ito. Ayan, this is SMA type of antenna. Now, we will install this antenna guys. As you can see guys, actually parang common antenna siya ng mga Wi-Fi. Install na natin. After installing the Wi-Fi guys, now we will have the first attempt for our indoor Wi-Fi antenna. At first attempt guys, we got 21.2 Mbps guys with 29 milliseconds of ping, which is medyo bumaba kaysa nung naka-built-in. Again, it depends guys sa area kung medyo mataas yung indoor antenna nyo or pwede namang built-in antenna. So as you can see guys, we got 1.39 upload speed, which is medyo bumaba nga at medyo hiyang sa atin. Anyways, we will dislocate our antenna guys. I-direction natin siya into 45 degrees, both side. Ayan, let's try natin guys kung medyo bibilis ba ang ating Wi-Fi at this moment. Again, 21.2 yung kailangan nating habulin. So as you can see guys, we got 26.5, medyo nag-okay na siya and medyo tumaas yung ating Wi-Fi with 31 milliseconds guys. So medyo okay naman din and not bad. Pero guys, yung upload parang nasa 1.3 something. Ayan guys, medyo bumaba yung ating upload speed again. mababa talaga guys. Again, it depends on our area guys. For today's video naman, we will use our outdoor antenna guys na binili ko sa Shopee. This is the Mimo antenna guys. 2 or 2 by 9 dBi. Again, this is not 18 dBi guys, and 18 dBi does not exist. Ayan guys, this is 2 by 9 dBi. dBi is a measurement guys kung hanggang saan ang kayang i-catch up ng wifi nyo. Again, mali po yung ganong pagkakaintindi nyo about the antenna. Ayan guys. Now we will install our outdoor antenna guys, and let's see if mabilis to kaysa sa may indoor antenna. Ayan, but before we do this, we will check guys first yung antenna setting if na-detect ba ng device yung antenna natin. So as you can see guys, here's the external antenna. Ayan siya. Also, you can configure naman guys yung external, yung auto into external antenna guys. Then apply nyo na lang. Now we will speed test naman guys. So as you can see guys, medyo tumaas yung possibility na mas mataas siya kaysa sa built-in antenna natin, ay rather sa may indoor antenna. But yung pin niya guys, medyo bumaba rin. And with the 32.8 Mbps guys, imagine, medyo tumaas talaga kaysa sa built or rather indoor antenna. And ganun din pa naman sa upload speed. Medyo 1.43 Mbps lang siya guys. Medyo napakahina talaga ng upload speed sa amin. Again, this is depende siya guys sa area kung saan kayo nakalagay. At the end of this video guys, nag-provide ako ng data and graph guys for the comparison of our speed test guys. Hopefully makita nyo, and I think dito ko na yun tatapusin guys. Again, don't forget to click the subscribe icon, click the bell icon guys, and choose yung all para palagi updated sa ating mga video tutorial natin in-upload almost every day. Thank you for watching this video.